In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attribution reports in HubSpot. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can understand not only where to click, but also what each choice means for your reporting. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the left panel and hover your mouse over the reporting icon. From the options that appear, click on Reports. Inside the Reports area, look to the top right of the screen and click the Create button. From the drop-down, choose Create Report. You'll now be taken into the report creation screen. On the left side, you'll see different report types. Find and click Attribution Report, then go up to the top right and click Next. HubSpot will now ask how you want to start. You can either build the report on your own or use a template. For this example, choose to create the report on your own. Next, select your data source. I'll choose Contacts as the data source, then click Next to continue. Now you'll see a preview of your report on the right and a configuration panel on the left where you'll actually build the attribution report. Start by choosing your chart style. You can pick from bar, column, donut, pie, table, or summary. Think about how you want to visualize your data. For instance, tables are great for detailed analysis, while bar and column charts work well for quick comparisons. Below that, confirm your data source in the first field. In the second field, choose your attribution model. This determines how credit is assigned across different interactions in the customer journey. In the third field, select your dimension, which is what you want to break the data down by, such as source or campaign. Finally, in the last field, choose how you want to group your data to make patterns easier to spot. In the preview area on the right, you'll notice quick filters at the top. Click the plus icon to add a new quick filter from the dropdown, which helps you narrow down results, for example, by date range or lifecycle stage. If you click the pencil icon, a pop-up will appear listing the quick filters that are already applied. Here, you can remove a specific filter using the trash icon, delete all quick filters at once, or change a filter by clicking on it and selecting a new option from the dropdown. When you're happy with your filters, click Done to close the pop-up. When your report looks the way you want, go to the top and click Save Report. A panel will slide open on the right. Give your report a clear, descriptive name and optionally add tags to keep things organized. You'll see a default description, which you can edit to better explain the report's purpose for your team. Next, decide where the report should live. You can choose not to add it to a dashboard, add it to an existing dashboard, or create a brand new dashboard for it. Click. Next, then choose who can access the report based on your sharing preferences. Finally, click Save, and that's it. You've created an attribution report in HubSpot, customized with the right data, filters, and sharing settings for your needs.